In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Salesforce plugin to Outlook. This is a handy tool that seamlessly integrates your Salesforce data right within your Outlook interface, making managing your emails and Salesforce contacts a breeze. Let's get started by going to your Outlook account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main mail page. Here you'll automatically land in your inbox, where you can see all your received emails. It's the hub of your email communications, and from here, you can begin the process of enhancing your Outlook with helpful add-ins, like Salesforce. We want to make sure that you're all set to proceed, so double check that you're in the inbox by looking at the left-hand column for your list of folders. This is where you'll see your inbox prominently displayed. Move over your cursor and give it a click, which refreshes the page and confirms you're starting from the right spot. Alright. With that confirmed, now let's focus on enhancing your Outlook experience by adding some useful apps. Look towards the top of your inbox. There you'll see a button or option that suggests enhancing Outlook with apps. This option is your gateway to a variety of add-ins that can make your email management more efficient. Click on it to access the available options. Once you've opened that section, the next thing you want to do is click on Get Add-ins. This option will lead you to a broader selection of applications and plugins that you can add to Outlook. It's like visiting a digital marketplace of productivity tools. In this store-like environment, click on All to ensure you have the complete list of add-ins available for you. This is your chance to explore everything that's out there, but since today we're focused on Salesforce, it's time to put that handy search bar into use. In the search bar of the Add-ins section, type Salesforce. Use simple, clear search terms. This will help you find the exact plugin you need efficiently without sifting through unrelated options. Once the search results return, look for the Salesforce add-in. Salesforce should appear prominently in the results due to its popularity. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Salesforce description and the option to add it to your Outlook. Finally, to complete the integration, simply click on the Add button. This step officially connects Salesforce to your Outlook, embedding its features within your email interface. With it added, you can now manage your Salesforce tasks directly from your email. And there you have it, a fully functional Salesforce plugin within Outlook ready to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing with Salesforce and Outlook working hand in hand.